Welcome to Lesson 4 of the class Dutch Pronunciation for Beginners, Consonant Letters. In this lesson, we'll learn the main pronunciation and spelling rules of two consonant letters, B and P. These letters are taught in the same lesson because they have certain similarities in pronunciation. Let's first look at the letter B. In general, this letter is pronounced as a voiced consonant B. This consonant is normally easy for English-speaking learners because it also appears in English. It's in fact the same consonant as in the English word be. Let's look at three examples. Baan, been, bloem. There's an important exception to the basic rule I just explained. If the letter B appears at the end of a word, it's not pronounced as B, but rather as a voiceless consonant P. This is the same as the consonant in the English word up. Let's look at three examples. Lop, hep, top. Now let's proceed to the letter P. This is generally pronounced as a voiceless consonant P. This Dutch consonant is very similar to the consonant in the English word pay, but there's an important difference. The English consonant P, as in the word pay, is aspirated. If you put your hand in front of your mouth while saying the word pay, you'll feel a puff of air. But when you pronounce the Dutch consonant P, there should not be a puff of air from your mouth. Now let's look at three example words. Pas, poes, pan. There's an important exception to the basic rule I just explained. If the letter P appears at the end of a Dutch word, it should be pronounced with aspiration. So in this situation, the letter P is pronounced the same as the consonant in the English word up. This can be illustrated with three example words. Dop, mop, mop. Well, that's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.